The sounds we are going to practice in this video is the sound z, 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 z in them. Again, them. Those, again, those. There, again, there. That, again, that. Turn, again, turn. Chatter, again, chatter. Thermos, again, thermos. What other words have the initial sound z? Toothache, again, toothache. Healthy, again, healthy. Panther, again, panther. Worthy, again, worthy. Redeem, again, redeem. Further, again, further. Leather, again, leather. Brother, again, brother. What other sounds words have the middle sounds z? Beneath, again, beneath. Pot, again, pot. Mat, again, mat. Cloth, again, cloth. Mouth, again, mouth. Breath, again, breath. What other sounds words have the final sounds z? Now, let's practice phrases with sound. Ready? Thank you note. Again. Thank you note. Take meat. Again. Take meat. Third party. Again. Third party. Now, let's practice sentence with the sounds. Ready? She goes to the park to think. Again, she goes to the park to think. My address is 13 Park Place. Again, my address is 13 Park Place. Will you grab the blue treat? Again, will you grab the blue treat? The sounds we just practiced in this video is the sound z, z, z. I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.